I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this Hyundai Ioniq 6. It's 2023 model. So if we just hold that, navigate to Grosvenor Garage.
7 results found. Please say the line number.
2.
Do you want to be guided to this place?
Yes.
The route guidance will start now. If possible, please make a U-turn.
So that's setting it. You just click the voice activation button for a second. As soon as the prompt comes up, tell it where you want to go, and then you should be able to do that without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Of course, the old-fashioned way, if we go, let's see, so we'll click on Nav. You've got search, points of interest, previous destinations, save places and so on, cancel route. I'm going to click cancel route first of all. We'll just do that, so that's route cancel. That's the one I did with the voice activation. So we'll go back again. We'll click Nav. We want search. And then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P R 5 4 E A. OK. That's it. A675 Blackburn Road. I'll click on this one. So click that. Set as destination. It's calculating it. Fastest route, that's the one we want. You see there, it's just counting down.
Guidance will start now. If possible, please make a U-turn.
That's it. That's how you set the Sat Nav.